subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV, Kipetche Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Simthembile.
Steve Mnandi.
Mnandi.
Before singene game in asiqale ku Minister Katie Wakenza. I know uyayimamela le podcast Minister batheleng enduku usafa sobayeka Minister. You are the best minister besikesana ku sport. Because laba bantu badla imali ye-VAR abantu uminister ufuna imali yakhe
kenzeke
ubakaye I think it's 13 million
and then
mama implement i-VAR bathi imali abanayo uthi uyayifuna imali yakhe abafuna ukuyibuyisa abafuni nobhatala upitso but uminister ubahleli la so minister ungabayeki ungabayeki minister
singayazi lebi
Steve uzibamba kumqho fresh Bamba fresh. Nangonza kusela ngesithethe seambulance yaseThembisa. Because asishayi ifarewell kwiambulance yaseThembisa. One of the best number 10 ebesikesa nawo eMzansi. You know ukuthi bengihlala ngikhala sometimes ngayo umjita but masimnike iflowers zakhe umjita udlalela iBhakaniya, umjita udlalela iBedge, umjita ube nama moments akhe right amnandi. Ngikhumbula esishaya ngephanyenka la eFNB the 95 minutes ayenzwa nowangba 90,000 capacity
leso sibini
yes tipo and nguye wakhe washukumisa nomjomana because umjomana wayene stress la number 10 ezomthatha uTito but umjita udlalela iBhakaniya akekho umuntu perfect tipo umjita adlale I think 119 games 28 goals I think 18 assists, 0 red card, red card. So umjita uyidlalela iBedge 7 trophies. So umjita uya deserve by legend yePirates. But bengihlala ngine problem naye ngework rate ne character yakhe because umjita is not willing to work and ebe strugglisha kule bhola kaWathu. And some coaches uzoshina, ezinye coaches ungashine. And iPirates, they will release you and they will sell you. But Kubeke, they know how to replace the players. It's not the first player to leave. Ndabona namabhakaniya kwatile. Abo giftile Remi bavaya. Teku Chisboy Mukwena Teko Modise Thembi Nkosiloji Opamanyisa iPirates yaqhubeka even noTito is not going to be missed. Ndiyabona abantu baya stress akho Tito sokhunjulula iPirates they know how to replace the players but yena umjita uyidlalela iBedge but no one is bigger than iBedge. I think other teams they can learn kwi-Pirates asiye game in Stipho yabona kudlela isikhathi number 2 Stipho niyo lama points amaningi I'm not a big fan yokuba makudlalwa a cup game. I feel like a cup game must be respected. I'm not a big fan kudlala midweek games because it's going to affect level ye cup. A cup must be like excitement the whole week. You remember last time Skulume FNP about marketing. We're supposed to have a vibe MTN80 but these games they are coming thinking fast after 2 days there is a game but I understand kuna ma features there is a cafe zayo kune black label international breaks so I feel like today teams were worried about Saturday. You see Pirates second half baby really deep be observer but I like this new Pirates. They know how to steal the results even if sometimes abadlali kahle they know how to steal the results and they also my favorites to win the league because you can see team matured. They are maturing, they have good players. I'm impressed by Umthetheleni Mthiyane Mthiyane mnandi Stipho mnandi kakhulu umjita and I think be man of the match No man, iPirates they have a good team but with the young squad they still need experienced players but all the best man kumaBhakaniya this season. Let's hope sizo nathi so a tough time.
Ngiyabonga. Sure.